So today we're checking out one of Kansas City's best patio and best rooftop restaurants. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, bringing you one of our very favorite Kansas City businesses that I hope you can try. So today I'm standing in front of Waldo, one of my favorite places to dine, not only in Waldo, but also in all of Kansas City. I absolutely love the vibe here. There's definitely a casual feel with an urban atmosphere, and especially enjoy the multi-air rooftop seating options. Now, don't let this casual atmosphere trick you into thinking that the food is also casual, because it offers a chef-driven menu with build-your-own burgers, fresh seafood, and a variety of wraps and sandwiches, even made-to-order pasta dishes. Now, the Well has a multiple large-screen TVs to not only take in your favorite games both inside and out, but they also have an expansive drink menu to punctuate an already thriving patio establishment. So whether you're looking for a great happy hour, a date with someone special, or just a place to hang out with friends and watch your favorite game, I highly recommend you checking out The Well in Waldo. Okay, and let us know your favorite Kansas City restaurants that we should try in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to share in other Kansas City experiences that we'll be taking. Thinking of making a Kansas City move to this area of town? Text us today. Schedule a time for us to meet and learn more about the neighborhoods in this area and how we can represent you in making the best investment possible in Waldo, the heart of Kansas City. Cheers!